This English Tudor-style mansion is one of the reasons for the name Millionaires Row. This is called Wikiosco. Wikiosco was built for Royal Peabody. He was the brother of Frederick Peabody, New York City industrialist who founded Brooklyn Gas and Electric, a power company that's still in operation today. Wikiosco was designed by famous American architect Stanford White, same man who designed the original Madison Square Garden. Today, the Wikiosco is maintained as a year-round private home, and it's shared by two families.
Ayun,